used to talk about an action that happened or a state of being that existed or was true in the past, a time that passed by. Therefore, we normally use the past tense to express an action or a state of being that took place or existed in the past time. We use second forms of V2 or verbs with the past tense. For example, the past tense of lead is led. The past tense of teach is taught. The past tense of speak is spoke. The past tense of fly is flew. The past tense of seek is sought. The past tense of see is saw. The past tense of write is wrote. The past tense of go is went. The past tense of swim is swam. The past tense of lay is laid. Continue watching to learn past tense definition, meaning, types, rules, formulas, uses, and example sentences with clear explanations.